Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna be building the Enid and Wednesday dark room from Lego. As far as you know, the season 2 is about to release this month, so today I decided to drop this brand new video about this massive Lego set. As far as you can see, the box is pretty big. I mean, when I say big, it is really big. So this is the front part of the box, and this is the back of the box, where you can see that there is a lot of detail inside of the door room. So inside of the box you could find up to 7 different bags where you can find thousands of pieces, numbered from 1 to 7. And of course you can get a pretty chunky manual, because it's the one that you are watching right now. And of course I have to say that this set includes 5 different figures. I mean, they are counting the thing as one minifig, but you know, it's an accessory. So in the very first bag you will find the pieces for the building basement, which is where you are going to plug the drawers, where you can store 2 minifigs and a few accessories. So as you can see, there are the very first 2 minifigs of Enid and Wednesday. And on bag number 2 you will find the we're going to start to build the floor and part of the balcony, and a few pieces of furniture like the bed, night tables, lamps and stuff. I think you will find the carpet for each side of the room and stuff like that. the bag number 3 you will find more furniture and many accessories like posters, vinyl record player, the cello, a lot of stuff referring to this show. Bag number 4 we are going to start to build the roof and part of the balcony, because it's very important at this point, because then we are going to start to set the railing and stuff from the outside. And of course you will find a beautiful piece for the panoramic window from that iconic scene on the Wednesday show, because I have to say that it's a really good piece because it's already printed. There are no stickers at all on this set, but then again many accessories has a lot of stickers and very tiny ones, because they're pretty messy to set up, because I mean I have pretty big hands, so it's kind of tricky. And on the bag number 5 we are going to be installing the window and the highest part of the ceiling itself, and that's pretty much it. There's not too many pieces on this bag, so as far as you can see the pieces very unique for this set. I think there's no other piece like it. And of course a lot of detailing of the outside. You can see a lot of plants and stuff and clear pieces to mimic windows and stuff. And on bag number 6 where we're gonna be installing the balcony railing, because it's pretty important, because it's a very iconic thing. I mean, of course we're gonna be setting up pillars and stuff, and too much detail on the outside as well as the inside of this set. drawers where you can, as I said, store other two minifigures of Wednesday and Enid Sinclair. And of course you're gonna be able to set up 3 different accessories like a phone, black rose, and well, as far as you can see in the video as well. Last but not least, the 2 sheets of stickers where you can see that there is a lot of detail on them, like carpet and posters and stuff. And that's it. This is the set itself, which is really beautiful. There is a lot of detail on the outside as well as on the inside. So there is the little mechanism on the drawers to pop them off and keep them locked. And that's it. I hope you like this video and like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.